Welcome to Packet Sensei, your go-to resource for mastering networking concepts. I'm your AI teacher, here to help you understand networking. Let's dive into the world of network devices and explore the key differences between routers and switches. These two network devices are used everywhere in networks, but they serve different purposes and work differently. Routers connect different networks and route packets from one network to the other. They operate at the network layer, which is layer 3 of the OSI model. On the other hand, switches connect multiple devices within a single network and allow them to communicate. They function at the data link layer, or layer 2 of the OSI model. When it comes to data transmission, routers and switches have different approaches. Routers send data in packets and use IP addresses to determine the best route for data transfer. Switches, however, transfer data in Ethernet frames and utilize MAC addresses to switch frames between devices. You'll find routers in various types of networks, including both local area networks and wide area networks. Switches, on the other hand, are primarily used within LANs. It's important to note that we also have multi-layer switches, which can perform routing functions in addition to switching. These devices blur the line between traditional switches and routers, making the distinction between the two a bit of a gray area. However, routers generally support more functionalities and protocols compared to multi-layer switches. Now, let's talk about the practical aspects. Routers are generally more expensive than switches due to their advanced functionalities. When it comes to connection ports, routers typically have a couple of interfaces while switches contain dozens or hundreds of ports for various devices to connect directly within the same network. In essence, routers manage traffic between different networks, while switches handle communications within a local network. Understanding these differences is crucial for anyone working with or interested in network infrastructure. And that's it for this video. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions or want to dive deeper into any of these topics, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help.